creative and fun learning, photo scavenger hunt, alphabet. In the heart of Sunnyville, on a sunny Friday morning, Miss Lemon, our beloved educator, announced a special project, a photo scavenger hunt alphabet. The children eagerly awaited the task at hand, their eyes sparkling with anticipation. The hunt began at the park. "Let's start with said Miss Lemon. The children scattered, their minds buzzing with possibilities. "An apple tree, an anthill," they wondered aloud. After some searching, Tim found an adorable albino squirrel, perfectly fitting for AI. N and E. On their way to B, they stumbled upon a beautiful pond teeming with life. "A bird bath, a beaver dam," asked Sarah. But nothing seemed quite right until she spotted a lovely blue-eyed duck. She captured its image and moved on. Next, they ventured to the town centre, where a grand old castle loomed. "A cathedral, castle walls," mused Jack. They climbed up the hill, their eyes scanning the imposing structure. Suddenly, Jack pointed. A tiny door at the base of the castle. Back at the park, they shared their discoveries. "Look at my pictures," said Sarah, revealing her stunning duck image. "That's fantastic," exclaimed Tim, showing off his squirrel photo. They marveled at Jack's castle door discovery. On to Deed, they ventured to the local botanical garden. "A daisy? A dolphin?" wondered Lily. The garden was bursting with life. Roses, tulips, sunflowers, and more. After much searching, she found a delicate daffodil, its yellow petals the perfect D. The following day, they found themselves at a bustling city intersection. "A bus? A bank?" asked Max. They stood on the curb, looking both ways for the perfect subject. As a city bus roared past, Max captured its image just in time. On the third day, they headed to the beach. "A dolphin? A dragon?" asked Mia. They searched high and low, but found only sandy footprints. Just when they were about to leave, Mia spotted a shimmering shell. Next, they visited the local library. "An elephant? An eagle?" wondered Noah. They roamed through the stacks, their eyes scanning the endless sea of books. Finally, Noah found an ancient, dusty tome, just right for L. On the fourth day, they headed to the countryside. "A tractor? A tree?" asked Olivia. They roamed through fields, admiring the rolling hills and barns. Suddenly, Olivia spotted a chicken with an oddly shaped feather. The final day brought them to a secret meadow. "A unicorn? An umbrella?" asked Ruby. The sun shone brightly, and a rainbow arched over the field. As they searched for the perfect U, Ruby noticed a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Over the next week, they worked together to assemble their alphabet albums, each page representing one of their amazing finds. They celebrated with a grand unveiling, sharing their stories and memories. The children had learned so much through their photo scavenger hunt adventure.